You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word in American English, US English. In the USA, it's rather said either of two ways: gaseous, gaseous, stress on the first syllable, or gaseous, gaseous or gaseous. Now there is a third pronunciation, which is gaseous, which also exists. It tends to be more used in the UK, the gaseous, but it exists. Some people mix it up. In American English, gaseous or gaseous. Both pronunciations are correct, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.